What's up, y'all? Welcome in and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are completely new, hello, I'm SincerelyNiko. In today's video, we're going to be filming a makeup tutorial. Yes, I recently received this package and I know I'm a little bit late, but we're going to try it on. So in today's video, we're going to be trying out the new Morphe brow products. We're going to see what they give, how we feel about it, all of that good jazz, and then some. If you guys are interested in this video, definitely keep on watching. But before we do so, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscribe button. I would love for you guys to be here and be a part of the Exo Squad, where we get lit on this side of YouTube, where I do vlogs, I also do beauty tutorials, all that good jazz. I would love for you guys to be a part of the squad. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right on into it. So Morphe just released a bunch of new brow products, some brow pencils, brow gels, and some sculpting sticks, and it launched on the 10th. And I know I'm a little bit late to the game, but I recently just renovated my place in a nutshell, and I didn't have the chance to sit down and do a video or a tutorial for it. So hence why I'm on here talking to you guys and giving you guys the tea. So new brow pencil, sculpting sticks, and brow gels just launched with Morphe on the 10th. And here's a little information about them as well too, little info commercial. So the Shape Lift Micro Contour Sticks come in 7 shades. Based on a 32% consumer precision study, 97 agreed that it creates an illusion of a real shadow without looking muddy or orange. Doesn't really give me the price, the retail price on these items, but I will leave the retail price of the items on the screen. They also came out with some nano brow pencils as well too. It is a 0.99mm tip, and also a micro grabbing brush. So I'll be trying these products out for you guys. Here's what it looks like on the inside. I think this is like a baking pan. I don't know if you could bake in this or not, but this gives a baking pan, but also gives like a surgical pan, yeah, where you put your scalpels and stuff on. So I think this is a really cute PR package from Morphe. Let's do some swatches. I'm definitely going to swatch the last 3 of the sculpting sticks. I'm not going to swatch all 7 shades because I'm not going to use probably the first 3, maybe 4 shades of this sculpting sticks. So I'm going to start off with Sharpen. This is the tan to rich with neutral undertones. That's deep. This is Balance, which is the rich to deep with neutral undertones. Oh. Okay. And then this is Define with deep with neutral cool undertones. That's deep. I'm actually gonna go up 1 more shade. This is Sculpted, which is the medium with neutral golden undertones. Okay. The range is there. These are the last 4 shades swatched from the collection, and I honestly feel that there's some depth compared to the Sudden Heat collection that they came out with a little bit earlier. This, I know there's probably 1 more shade. I think it was 5 shades that came out, but that's not giving me anything. That's Sizzle. That's the deepest that I have, and I think there's 1 more deeper than that. It's like my complexion shade. This is giving this. This literally is giving range. So the sculpting sticks is giving range. Why can't the Sudden Heat collection give some range? Then I'm also going to swatch the last few shades of the brow pencils. The tip is very, very small and precise, but be very careful when applying because they can break. That's one thing about these little small brow brushes. Yeah, I'm gonna do the last 4. They gave 6. Six. I'm just gonna do the last 4. All right, and here are the last 4 of the brow products. I hope you guys can see it. You barely can see this last one here, but these are the last 4 of the brow products. The range is there. I could definitely see a little bit of depth. I love the fact that they included something that's a little more auburn. That shade is almond. So if you're looking for something that's a little bit warm, definitely check out almond. I'm used to Java in the old packaging, so for the fact that they came out and updated Java to this new packaging, don't gotta stress that much about it. And then of course they came out with a clear brow gel. Precision tip is super small. Give you guys an up close. Super small, 16-hour hold, extreme hold, that gives laminated brows with a little bit of flexible feel and no flaking. It also has peptides and glycerin to help provide fullness and hydrate the brow hairs. The brush sculpts and lifts so no unruly hair is out of place. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with my brows, of course. I'm going to start off with Java. And let's see what it gives. I'm gonna go in with the Thread Concealer in shade 7. Then I'm gonna take the Sephora Concealer in shade 59N. And then I'm gonna clean up the front. Here we go. With some finessing, I was able to create this brow using Java. I think I'm gonna take chocolate mousse and do this part. So I'm gonna take chocolate mousse and I'm gonna do the hair-like strokes at the front. And then let's go ahead and seal it off with the brow gel, the Micromanager Gripping Brow Gel. That's a nasty brow. A real nasty brow. Okay, Morphe. Okay, Morphecia. Alright, so the brow is on. My thoughts, I will save until the end of this video. I'm gonna go ahead and hop off camera real quickly and do the other brow. And then, of course, apply my foundation on because we got these micro contouring sticks that we have to definitely try out on the face, and I'll be right back. Alright, so the face is pretty much almost done. We're gonna go in with the contour, the micro contour sticks. I'm gonna start off with balance. Then I'm probably gonna go in with a little bit of define just to get that super cool tone vibe that I want to go for this makeup look. But I'm going to sculpt the face mainly with balance and really define the face the way that I want to define my face. Alright, so I went ahead and kind of drew out what I wanted for my contour. I'm using the new Morphe Shape Lifter Micro Contour Sticks. Right now I'm using in the shade Balance just to kind of draw exactly what I want. Then if I need more depth, I'm probably going to go in with the darker shade, which is Define, which is that almost nearly black shade. But this is what I'm looking at right now as far as contour goes. I'm going to blend this out real quickly. I'm going to take this Japanese brush and we're going to blend her out. This is eating. Morphe. This is eating. Lord. Okay. Let's try this nose. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Define. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah, you see that? That's what I want to achieve every day. But baby, I don't like the treadmill. Okay, so this is where we at right now. Everything's looking real nice. Not upset. I do need to set my under eye before it starts to crease. But I want to add blush on before I powder down things. Alright guys, so this is the finished look of the Morphe sculpting products. I've also did my full face using matte products, so there's going to be 2 videos of me wearing the same outfit in this final makeup look, so don't judge me. I'm batch filming, getting some content out for you guys. So, what do you think? I would say these sculpting sticks eats. The brow products are not a product where you would do a full brow with. I would say defining your brow with them, yes, but filling in your full brow, no. I would love for Morphe to come out with a brow filler situation, whether it's like the ABH Dip Brow Gel or the ABH Brow Definer, something that you could literally paint your brushes with, paint your brows on with, is what I'm trying to say. Because trying to fill in your brows with that 0.9 millimeter pencil is not the best cost efficient wise, because you're gonna break the tip or you're gonna run through product real quickly. That's just my opinion. But overall, with the products, the brow gel is holding them in place. It's a nice flexible hold, but not flaky, which is what I like. I'm not mad at it. Let me know in the comment section down below. Have you tried out any of these Morphe products? And if you did so, what are your thoughts on them? And if you are going to grab them, let me know down in the section down below. I wonder what your thoughts and feelings are on these products, since they're out since I'm filming this video. But I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did so, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you're gonna try these Morphe products out, or if you had tried these Morphe products out, and what's your thoughts on them. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace, guys. Bye.